see if we can do a video on the Westfield in the coming weeks. I was supposed to be doing a car show up in Cumbria in a couple of weeks' time, but I've had to cancel. I need to be away with work. So I've had to cancel my car show as a consequence. Otherwise we'd have been going in the Westfield. There is a YouTube video on from last year. Kit cars to Cumbria, something like that. They're usually quite a nice run, 20 or so cars. Well, as I say, we'll miss out on it this year, never mind. Santa Pod in June, looking forward to that with the MEV. The mood feels right, we'll have a go on track. See what our quarter mile time is. Back up to 50-ish again. We're on the move. Our visor is getting full of little animals. That must mean the weather's good as they splat against it. I was talking about the air vent on the helmet earlier on, and it's actually really nicely ventilated. I know I've got it one click up from being fully closed. But even when it's fully closed, you get some nice airflow across your eyes, which all, you know, in the wrong direction can dry them out, but in the right direction it just keeps your face nice and cool. That's what it's doing right now. Probably doing zipping the jacket up a bit higher around the neck and getting a bit of cool air in around the neck. Look in the mirrors so I can make a decision on what I want to do next. Lights on green, let's go. Nothing too close behind, that bus is going to stay. Watch your speed, there's a 40. They're coming off a dual carriageway where you've been maintaining a steady 50 and you're coming to a 40. It's quite deceptive on a bike, the speed you're going. Probably because when you're quite new, 30 seems quite fast in an open bike. Observations. While you're driving along, how often should you check your mirrors? And is there a difference between how often you should check them because you're doing a test and how often you should check them when you passed your test? In theory they should be the same, one supposes, if that's the safest way to ride. I tend to do observations when I'm about to do something, after I've done something, and then occasionally while I'm mooching along. But again, watching a video the other night, and the instructor was doing that many observations, and I wondered whether he had time to look forward. throttle rotation on the Grom. There's a long distance from fully closed to fully open, and occasionally I do find myself having to take a second grip of the accelerator tube. I know a couple of companies make a different one that has a slightly shorter throat. I think we're only talking about 10%. Is that enough to make a difference? I mean, they're not expensive. They're probably cheap enough to have a punt, even if it doesn't do anything for you, to be honest. If anyone's got one or tried the other throttle tube, I'd welcome guidance on that. Oh, that was a hill, Grom, fat lad, 55. There's a dog taking his owner for a jog. Both seem to be enjoying it. There's a brown dog. All the dogs are the same now. They're all the same make. There's only one make of dog.